Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add virtual background in Zoom meeting application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Zoom meeting application and I have created a virtual meeting. And if we want to add virtual background to our video, we can go to our video section or video menu and click on this little arrow. And here we have to choose the adjust background and effect. Okay, and these are the virtual background we can use. You can use a picture from the Zoom meeting, or you can also add your own picture. If you want to add your own picture, you can click on this plus button and you can add picture or image from your device. And here I'm just going to use the image from Zoom. I'm gonna use this one for instance, and as you can see guys that my background has been changed, and I'm just going to turn on my camera. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add virtual background in Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.